the Pixel 6.
Google Pixel 6 could get its grand unveiling on September 13th, just before the iPhone 13. You know what? I've heard mixed things on this. Some people said, yeah, that could happen. Other people said, absolutely not. That won't happen. I'm not holding my breath, Will. I'll tell you that much, because the Pixel, Google's hardware strategy in general, specifically the Pixel, like the 5A was supposed to be out when, and the fact that they gave all those details early that they gave, to me, implied that it was further out.
Oh, yeah?
Well, don't you remember how they kind of soft launched it? They told you about the chip. They showed you the design in advance. What would be the incentive to do that if you were going to beat iPhone to market? If you're going to be there September 13th, it's not that far off. So when I saw that, my feeling was, oh, they're going to be after that. But anyway, rumors are rumors, whatever. Anything can come true. It also depends on what a release looks like. Like, are you actually ordering it, or is it a long way before it's getting delivered? I'm excited for the phone. I didn't use a Pixel in a while. That's probably my next phone.
I'm guessing there's no launch event.
You know what? Done. I even thought about using a Pixel 5A. It crossed my mind.
Oh.
That's the one that showed up over here.
Yeah.
It crossed my mind.
I mean, you could use it. It's literally back there.
Does something like that ever cross your mind?
I was going to use it.
It crossed your mind.
A video. Yeah.
It crossed your mind.
Not bad. Not a bad phone.
See, isn't that interesting? It's like something about Pixel and mid-range that I wouldn't be considering any other mid-range device, but maybe it's a software thing where I'm missing the Pixel Android experience, or I'm curious what the camera software is doing these days, and it just happens to be the latest Pixel device. Isn't that weird? It feels somewhat appealing, even though there's all these phones to choose from. I don't know, man. I might throw a SIM in there just for a couple of laughs or something.
A barrel of laughs.
I might have a barrel of laughs if I go in there. So I don't know what to tell you on it, but Pixel 6 I'm definitely going to use. It'll see a SIM card or two. Tell you that.